Only turn up Jollibee!
Gigil yan! Yun,
So,
banda.
Purong tayo.
I'm so envious of you guys.
We'll get you Jollibee for life. If not, every week one fan will pay to send them to I think. Alright, now that was a great memory. You will never forget. Let's move on to the next segment. Please pick another flower.